this coordinated effort and coupled with the convergence mode that is being used would go a long way to make ourselves prepared more precisely, more scientifically, and more adeptly to meet the challenges which are not so often, and those challenges which are never seen before, but as an emerging nation, it is our responsibility to be prepared for the unseen and the unknown.
An emergency is an emerging threat which may be because of any incident or occupational exposure or planned by a non-state actor. Therefore, civil emergency is now a stern reality and we need to prepare to prevent or mitigate such man-made disaster. In this endeavor, I would like to put you on record that INMAS DRDO have been working incessantly to develop efficient, cost-effective, military-grade and versatile technologies and products. So to manage such kind of civil emergencies, we need to have products that can detect, that they have the protection, decontamination and the medical management, which is very utmost important in such scenarios. So DRDO working on those things. Besides its R&D infrastructure, we like to inform you that INMAS has also developed a strong training infrastructure for on-site and off-site courses. Until date now, we have conducted 130 courses all over the country where we have trained 7,547 participants from armed forces and paramilitary forces.
As far as the virus threat is concerned, it is being monitored at the highest level, right at the cabinet secretary level. There is a crisis management group which reviews it, and as per the decisions of the highest authority, various measures have been taken to prevent this virus from entering India. That includes putting thermal scanners at important seaports, airports, and also deputing team of doctors and paramedics who can check people when they are entering.
जैसा कि मैंने अपने स्वागत भाषण में भी बताया, हम लोग बोलते हैं अतिथि देवो भव। आज के संदर्भ में, आज के परिप्रेक्ष्य में अगर आप देखेंगे, अतिथि सिर्फ डिजास्टर रह गए हैं जो बिना बताए आते हैं। ऐसे अतिथि को हमें कैसे डील करना है, कैसे हम लोगों को अपने समाज को सुदृढ़ बनाना है और उसकी सुरक्षा करनी है, ये 4 दिन की ट्रेनिंग में लोगों को, पोर्ट यूजर्स को दिया जाएगा। इसके लिए हमारे पास एक्सपर्ट्स आए हुए हैं NDMA से, INMAS से, जो अलग अलग किस्म के, आजकल आप देख रहे होंगे कोरोना वायरस के बारे में आप लोगों को न्यूज़ मिल रही होगी। तो ये मैन मेड भी हो सकते हैं, नेचुरल भी हो सकते हैं, इनको कैसे हमें डील करना है, इस संदर्भ में ये 4 दिन की वर्कशॉप हमारे MPT में रखी गई है।